Hello friends, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Jinhao 01 transparent violet color body and cap fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a violet color body and cap in transparent way look, and there is a dome-like structure in the top of this pen. In this top view you can find a very awesome look in this, and with this transparent view you can find that is a cartridge converter type ink filling system, and here the brand's name Jinhao was mentioned with that symbol. And let me open this, and here this is number 5.5 nib which has a fine tip silver plated one, and you can swap the nibs as you like since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands. And especially in Canwright, we are having in fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen. So the choice is yours. For that, you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and then you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And the brand's name Jinhao, and with the symbol and fine F is mentioned in this nib portion. A very fantastic look design. And let me open this. This is a converter. It is a Jinhao brand's converter. To fill the ink here, you have to unscrew do this in the anti-clockwise direction and dip in the ink and turn this back in the clockwise direction. The ink will be filled up this portion. And also you can use cartridges. For cartridges you can directly fix these cartridges in this portion. And here there is a black color ring design is there. It is not fixed anywhere, so we have to maintain this carefully for the aesthetic of this pen. And also on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder. So you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. And here this is not just a pulling type, you have to screw this portion and pull it out. After removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And also few nibs need to be fine tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so you will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And also please make sure that both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And yeah, let me give the measurements. The holding area's diameter is 9.4 mm. As it is a small one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers. And the body's diameter is 11.7 mm. And the length of this pen is, without cap, it is 110.4 mm. And with cap it is 124.5 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you are keeping this in the pouches and all, the same aesthetic shininess will last forever. And for pouches you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4 pen pouches, and we can do engraving on the pouches too. While ordering itself you can mention in the order. And the entire weight of this pen is 12 grams. And here let me give the writing sample of this pen with our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Very smooth writing it is. A very good writing. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.